Have you ever tried to edit a Word or Excel document just to get the message you can't make this change right now because the selection is locked? It's really frustrating, I know, especially if you're on a tight deadline. So in today's video, we are going to be going through how to actually fix this issue step by step, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video. This usually happens for several reasons. Your offers might not be activated, your file may be protected or even marked as final, there might be some editing restrictions in place, or the file itself may even be corrupted. Please note that there's going to be a little bit of a difference whether you are on a MacBook or a Windows device, so follow along and listen to the steps very carefully. The process will stay the same, so just apply this to your MacBook or your Windows device. Let's start by checking Office activation. The following steps will be if you are on a Windows device. As you can see, I'm in a Word document right now. So what you want to do is you want to go to File in the top left right here, and you will see an account option. If you see an activation notice, sign in with your licensed account or activate the product. Once activated, reopen your document and try editing again. If you are on a MacBook device, go to the top right hand corner where you can see your account. As you can see right here, it is Microsoft, my first name and my second name, and I am signed in because I can now sign out or sign into a different account. And once you have completed that and activated it, try opening your document again and try editing. Next, check if the document is marked as final. Go to File Info, Protected Document, Mark as Final. If this option is enabled, turn it off to enable editing. Now, head to the Review tab and click Restrict Editing. If protection is enabled, click Stop Protection. If the file is password protected, you'll need the correct password to proceed. If your document is shared in a collaborative folder, make sure you have editing permissions. Click Share in the top right corner and confirm whether you can edit. If not, request edit access from the owner. If all of these steps don't work, your file may actually be corrupted. And this is where Tenorshare for DDIG file repair comes in. It can repair Word, Excel, or even PDF files quickly and safely. Okay, so once you have installed the Tenorshare for DDIG file repair program, there are going to be a couple of steps before you can actually start to use all of the features that they have to offer. So the first step is that you have to go and register. You can use a key. So if you have a key, you have to enter your email address and you have to enter a registration code. So please make sure that if you are in a Windows device that you will have a Windows registration key, and if you are on MacBook that you will have a Mac registration key, because it does matter, and if you have the wrong code it will not work. So the other step that you can do if you don't have a registration key is you can actually go and buy for DDIG file repair. So they have 3 different plans available, and they are actually out there to accommodate everyone. So they have a 1-year license, they have a 1-month license, and even a lifetime license. And honestly, the lifetime license is a great deal if you guys want to go and look through it. But let's get back to how to actually solve this problem. Okay guys, so once you have completed the steps where you either register with a key or you actually go and buy one of their plans, you will get access to everything. So as you can see right here on the left, we have the file repair, we have an AI enhancer, and then we have our repair history right here. So this is where you will be able to do video repair, photo repair, file repair, and even an audio repair. So this is actually really impressive, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Click Add Files or drag the corrupted document into the program. You can select multiple files if needed. Once the file is added, click Repair All. The software will automatically scan and repair any corruption detected. After repair, click Preview to check the content of the document. If everything looks correct, click Save and export this document into a safe location. To summarize, check Office activation, disable mark as final, remove all editing restrictions, confirm permissions, and if the file is still corrupted, Tenorshare for DDIG file repair is a simple solution. The download link is in the description below. Okay guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit this subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.